Hello, good evening. I've been having a lot of messages on account being hacked, and I promised that I was gonna make a video on how to add extra layer to your account and protect your account. So just a quick one. When you go to your profile, just go to settings and privacy, go to privacy checkup, click on how to keep your account secure, and keep going. Next, so here you can see add an extra layer of security to your account. So you can click on get started, and here, so you can use whatever you are comfortable with. And I think the most convenient and easy one is use text message. So here you are going to use add your password, and then you are going to use your phone number to set this up. So whenever someone tries to log in into your account, you must get a notification on your phone. And if you don't approve it and use the code here, the person can never be able to hack your account. So here is recommended too. Here you use an authentication apps. I don't want to go into logging in into account, but here if you need these authentication apps, you can go to Google Authenticator. This is what it looks like. So you go to Google or Play Store, whatever you're using. If it's Google, just look for this icon. When you type Google Authenticator, it will bring up this. Whatever phone you are using, just find a place to download the apps. So when you download it, you follow the prompt, it will show you what to do. So that's what you're gonna use to link here. So whenever you wanna log into this account, you have to use Google Authentication app to bring up some numbers and use the codes to sign into your Facebook. So when you protect this account from here and add this extra layer, nobody can hack your account. So protect your account, guys. I'm tired of getting messages on my account has been hacked. Protect your account. Thanks.